Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to either log in or sign in, so create new account and then tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games and something strange happened. Let me do it again. Manage apps and device. So as you can see, there was some kind of error. After tapping on it, you have to tap on Manage Apps and Device, not My Apps and Games. Then let's tap on Manage, and here we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, your device will show you all updates which you can download and install on the updates you've got currently installed on the device. And of course, if you want to, you can that was a misclick. If you want, you can mark all of them or simply pick the apps you want to update. So let me pick Google Chrome maybe and the Gmail. And after marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. Right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be immediately and automatically installed. So basically you do not have to do anything, just wait patiently. Of course, you can go back and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.